Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an image in your Flutter app step by step, even if you are a beginner. Let's get started. First, you have to open Chrome to download images. First image, second image. After that, go to the project. These are my images. I copy the images. Now I create a folder here. Folder name should be assets. Click enter. After that, create another folder here. Folder name should be images. Now paste the images here. Our asset folder will be displayed here. This is our first image. This is our second image. After that, you have to go pubspec.yaml, uncomment the assets folder and give the folder name here like assets slash images slash. Now I do code. App bar, title should be image widgets. After that, go to the body, center. After that, take child. Now we use image widget, image dot assets. Here we have to pass the image path assets slash images slash first image.jpeg. Now I click the to start the app. You can see that image is displayed in the emulator device. You can also change the height and width of the image. You can see that the results. We use container to add image. Take child and paste the image. Now I reload the app. You can see that our image is displayed in the container. And now we use two images. I take the widget column, children. Now how to reload the app? Case of image second image.png. There is error because the format is wrong. JPEG. Now you can see that two images display in the container. I remove the border of the container. Now you can see that add add a color in the container. You can also add height and width. And that's it. You have successfully added an image in your Flutter app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any question about it.